Okay, I accidentally turned the iPad off. So, like I was saying, there's an asymptote here because this graph is going to get infinitely close to the x-axis, but it's never going to touch it. So it has an asymptote of y = 0. So really what's happening is this graph is not going to touch the axis ever. It's stuck on top of it and it can't touch it. So for inequality notation, we're going to say that the domain goes from negative infinity to positive infinity because it's forever going left and right, right? So negative infinity to infinity. The range, though, is stuck in between 0 and infinity. So it's stuck in positive values, and it's never going to touch 0. It's going to get really close to it, but never touch it. So we have 0 to infinity. Logarithmic graphs. So the parent function for logarithmic looks like this shape, and it also has an asymptote, but it has an asymptote on the y-axis. So log graphs have an asymptote at x = 0. So what we're doing is inequality notation for the domain. We have all these x's stuck in between. 0 is the furthest left it goes, but infinity is the furthest right. We cannot include 0 in our answer because it will never actually touch it. It's going to get infinitely close to it, but it won't touch it. The range, though, we can go from negative infinity to positive infinity. It's going to go all the way down and all the way up. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to go back, and the ones that we left blank, I want you to fill them out. As you fill them out today, I'm going to kind of walk around and make sure you're on the right track and not getting numbers wrong. I'm also going to post all the answers at the beginning of class tomorrow so we can just kind of make sure. So if you're at home, you can see them, okay? Well, I might post them at the end of the day today. We'll just see how it goes. So do this and then follow the rest of the instructions on Canvas.